Hi everyone, Louis from Entrepreneur Campfire here. So recently I got this comment from one of the viewers of my Shopify tutorial. They're asking me if it's possible to configure a zone for East Malaysia and a separate zone for West Malaysia. If you've been asking yourself the same question, then stay tuned for this video because I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the main reason why most sellers would like to configure shipping for East Malaysia and shipping for West Malaysia differently is because they don't cost the same. If your business is based in West Malaysia and a customer orders from East Malaysia, then the shipping fee will be usually more expensive than if you ship to a customer in West Malaysia. It's really not going to make a lot of business sense for you to offer the same shipping rate for East Malaysia and West Malaysia. Your profits will be reduced greatly, and that's not what you want to do. To solve this problem, what we can do is create one zone for West Malaysia and one zone for East Malaysia, each having different shipping rates. So how you can do that is inside your Shopify store, first go to settings and then click on shipping and delivery. Okay, so this is where you usually configure everything, your rates related to shipping. So usually you would only have one profile. So if you have two profiles, you need to do this twice. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can do this for one profile, but it's going to be the same thing for your next profile. Okay, so under general shippings, just click on manage rates. Okay, so here are some of the zones that I've configured in my last tutorials. So what I'll do here just to for this tutorial is I'll delete them and I'll configure them from scratch for you. Okay, so it's very likely that you also have similar things configured already, so you can just delete them or edit from them. Okay, I think if you want to start off clean, you can just delete them and then start again. So once you've deleted them, now it's time to create new shipping zones. How you can do that is by clicking on create shipping zone here. Okay, so you can label this East Malaysia and here for Malaysia. Okay, here is the important step you need to take in order to configure this correctly. Under the 0 of 16 states and territories, make sure to click on this button and you'll see that all these states are displayed. Okay, all you need to do here is to click on the East Malaysia only states and save it and click done. Okay, so there you have one zone only for East Malaysia. So now you can add a shipping rate to this new zone that you've created. So just add rate as usual. Okay, standard. And add the conditions, so based on weight 1 kg to 0 kgs to 1 kg, and so on. You can keep going like that, as I've shown you in my previous shipping video. If you haven't seen that yet, I've added the link on this page, so just click it and have a look. Okay, so now let's create the zone for West Malaysia. Same thing, click on create shipping zone, label this West Malaysia. Okay, look for Malaysia, and here again do the same thing, but now only select the West Malaysia states. Oh, sorry, Labuan is not. Okay. Okay, so now you have a separate zone for West Malaysia and you can configure a totally different rate here. So add rate as usual, standard shipping. Okay, maybe this is only 5 ringgit. 1 kg, 0 to 1 kg. Okay. So I think I've missed out Labuan here, so I'm just gonna come back here and then add that back in. Alright, so now you have one zone each for East Malaysia and West Malaysia. So now customers who have an East Malaysian address will be charged 10 ringgit for up to 1 kg, and customers from West Malaysia will be charged 5 ringgit for up to 1 kg of their order. Okay, so once you've done this, just save it and you're good to go. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this very quick tutorial on how you can set up 2 different zones for East Malaysia and West Malaysia. If you want more quick tips like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up to support me. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again in my next video.